Hi viewers, my name is Sirisha. Welcome to my channel Dream Life Diaries. I'm back again with 18th day video in my 30-day weight loss series with intermittent fasting and fitness routine. Today's workout plan is focused towards Vinyasa Yoga or Power Yoga for weight loss. And the diet plan is focused towards including more vegetables in our regular diet. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Today I practiced Vinyasa Yoga for the lower body. Vinyasa Yoga is a style of yoga characterized by stringing postures together so that you move from one to another seamlessly using breath. It's also called Power Yoga in Western countries as it's more intense, rigorous and dynamic compared to Hatha Yoga and focuses towards burning more calories. Check out 20-minute Vinyasa Yoga workout session for the lower body on my channel page or on the end screen of this video. In Vinyasa Yoga, the asanas are practiced in a flow one after the other, holding each posture for less time. Whereas in Hatha Yoga, the asanas are practiced independently, holding each posture for longer periods of time. Today's fitness plan includes practicing warm-up, few rounds of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar, some asana practice and then cool down asanas. As always, I started with warm-up to warm up the spine and the lower body. You might be wondering why warm-up is so important. Warming up prevents injuries by loosening your joints and improving blood flow to the muscles. Stretching also helps prepare your muscles for the physical activity we are about to perform. After the warm-up, I practiced 6 rounds of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. There are 2 types of Surya Namaskar that I usually practice, Shivananda style and Ashtanga style. Shivananda Surya Namaskar is more about breathing and flexibility, whereas Ashtanga is more about building strength and focused towards calorie burn. But both of them are very effective full body workouts. After the Surya Namaskar, the body is fully warmed up and ready for the next set of asana practice. To get into any specific asana, we start with Surya Namaskar and practice the asana as part of Surya Namaskar and then complete that particular round of Surya Namaskar. Here, instead of completing the full round of Surya Namaskar, I am getting into Anjaneya Asana. And then release the asana. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana and practice the same asana on the other side. And then come out of the asana and complete the Surya Namaskar round. This way all the asanas are performed as part of the Surya Namaskar. This practice is very intense and dynamic and focused towards calorie burn. This way I practiced some other asanas like Sirsha Padangusthasana, Kaliyasana, variation of Kaliyasana and Rajakapotasana. And then practice some cool down asanas, Supta Dandasana, Ananda Balasana, and finally rested in Shavasana. For the detailed workout with instructions, click on the suggestion card above or check out the link in the description. Why is it important to include more vegetables in our regular diet? Vegetables, raw or cooked, are a great source of several vitamins and minerals. They are very low in calories and fat, which means that you can eat more to keep you full without worrying about weight gain. They have plenty of fiber to fill you up and boost gut health. Let's take a look at some of the foods I had today to help you include more veggies in your diet. In general, my diet contains lots and lots of vegetables, raw and cooked both. Try these simple and nutritious recipes and you will notice significant improvements in your health along with losing weight. I had mixed vegetable juice as my morning drink today. So what vegetables do I use to make this juice? This juice is made with 1 carrot, 1 beetroot, half cucumber, a small piece of bottle gourd, 1 apple, 2 gooseberry and 1 lemon. Peel all the vegetables and apple, cut them into small pieces and add it to a blender. Add little water, half cup water and blend it to a paste. Strain the juice, add some lemon and honey to it. This mixed vegetable juice is one of the best ways to include raw vegetables in your diet. It's an immunity booster and also gives natural glow to your skin. I had oats vegetable upma for my breakfast today. You can also make wheat upma or millet upma in the similar way. So how do I make it? Dry roast wheat rava or millet rava or oats for 1 to 2 minutes without oil. Add tadka to the pan and then add chilies, curry leaves, add onions and roast them for 1 to 2 minutes and then add some salt. Now we can start adding the chopped vegetables. Add carrot, capsicum and green peas. Cook them for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Add some water and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes until the vegetables get cooked properly. Once the vegetables are cooked, add 2 cups of water. For 1 cup of oats or wheat rava, we need to add 2 cups of water and let the water come to boil. Start adding oats or wheat rava and keep stirring to make sure there are no lumps formed. Close the lid and cook it for 5 more minutes on low flame. This is one of the fiber-rich breakfast with the goodness of vegetables. This is one other way to include variety of vegetables in your breakfast. Apart from having water, I also had bowl of vegetable salad at 4 p.m. today. To make this vegetable salad, add chopped carrots to a bowl, chopped beetroot, chopped zucchini, chopped cucumber, chopped capsicum, some cherry tomatoes, you can use regular tomato as well, some olives and some chopped lettuce. Let's make the salad dressing now. To a blender jar, add chopped ripe avocado, some mint and coriander leaves, some lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and some coconut milk. Keep adding coconut milk and blend it to a smooth paste. To this, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can use it as a salad dressing. It is one of the delicious ways to include raw veggies in your diet along with your own salad dressing. Today I had broken wheat with rich gourd gravy and okra fry. It is one other way to include cooked vegetables in your early dinner. I have mentioned links to the workouts and recipes in the description. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends and add your comments to the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Thank you.